पार्ट फर्स्ट में हमने 100 क्वेश्चन नंबर तक देख लिए थे जो कि हिस्ट्री के थे। अब हम लोग सेकेंड पार्ट जो कि जियोग्राफी के हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 101 से स्टार्टिंग करते हैं। ब्लैक सॉइल इज मोस्टली फाउंड इन महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात। क्वेश्चन नंबर 102, वेट टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट इज फाउंड इन रीजन ऑफ नीलगिरी। ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 103, IISCO हैज़ आयरन एंड स्टील प्लांट एट बरनपुर। बरनपुर इज सिचुएटेड इन West Bengal. Question number 104. The full form of abbreviation NLM is Northern Limit of Monsoon. Question number 105. Doordarshan is broadcasting agency of Prasar Bharati. Option A correct answer. 106. 100 Smart Cities mission was launched by Indian government in the year 2015. But our West Bengal একটুও সিটি পার্টিসিপেট করে না इन स्मार्ट सिटीज़। तो वेस्ट बंगाल की जो एक भी सिटी है वो 100 स्मार्ट सिटीज़ के लिस्ट में नहीं है, वो पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करती हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 107, इज़ अ सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी इन वेस्ट बंगाल? यस, विश्व भारती। क्वेश्चन नंबर 108, इंडिया स्टैंडर्ड टाइम इज़ अहेड ऑफ ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम 5 आवर 30 मिनट्स। 109, The Dash is the first national park established in India in year 1936. जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क जो है वो इस्टेब्लिश्ड हुआ था, फर्स्ट इंडिया का नेशनल पार्क, जो कि नैनीताल उत्तराखंड में है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 110, नेशनल पार्क इज लोकेटेड इन द स्टेट ऑफ झारखंड। बेटला नेशनल पार्क। 111, Jaldapara is declared a national park in 2014 and became the newest national park in India, according to question and option. Question number 112, the Indian Wildlife Protection Act was passed in the year 1972. Uttar Pradesh is the highest producer of milk in India. Question number 114, Baren Island Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Question number 115, the Dravidian rock system is found Spiti Valley region. Dravidian rock system, Spiti Valley, Dravidian rock system, Spiti Valley, ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट आंसर होगा। स्पीति वैली तो हिमाचल प्रदेश में होगा ना, कृष्णा वैली में हो सकता है ड्रेविडियन रॉक सिस्टम पाया जाता हो। इस क्वेश्चन को देखना होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 116, कश्मीर वैली लाइज इन बिटवीन पीर पांजल एंड जास्कर रेंज। ये सही है। 117 जो है, द फेमस सियाचेन ग्लेशियर इज लोकेटेड एट नुब्रा वैली। 118 जो क्वेश्चन नंबर है, द जोजिला पास इज लोकेटेड इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर स्टेट। ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 119, द मरवार प्लेन इज फाउंड इन राजस्थान। Question number 120, Meghalaya Plateau is separated from the main peninsular plateau of India by the wide gap of Garo Rajmahal Gap. जो मेघालय प्लेटू है वो पेनिनसुलर इंडिया का ही एक्सटेंडेड फॉर्म है। 121, बुमला पास इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश। क्वेश्चन नंबर 122, वेस्टर्न घाट हिल रेंजेस इज ऑल्सो नॉन एज सह्याद्री। 123, कोंकण कोस्टल प्लेन स्ट्रेचेस फ्रॉम दमन टू गोवा। Question number 124, the Indus originate from the glacier of Kailas range. Question number 125, Mandakini and Alaknanda meet at Rudraprayag, Panchprayag से क्वेश्चन है ये। 126, Narmada is the largest west flowing river of peninsular India. Question number 127, salt tree is found dry tropical forest. Question number 128, tropical moist deciduous is not found in Gujarat. Question number 129, saline soil is found in estuaries of Narmada. Question number 130, भुज जो कि गुजरात में स्थित है, द फेमस अर्थक्वेक ऑफ जनवरी 26, 2001 took place at भुज। Question number 131, in the year 2004 tsunami occurred in coastal areas of India. Yes, IMD has defined severe drought when deficiency of rainfall exceed of normal rainfall 50%. 133, Assam Valley in Assam is not a drought prone area. 134, in the 2005 the Indian government enacted an act for prevention and mitigation of disaster. It is known as Disaster Management Act. और डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एक्ट কখনে 2005 সালে পাস হয়েছে। Question number 135. The National Fire Service College is located at Chennai. Delhi has one of the four training center of National Disaster Response Force. Question number 137. Kannada belongs to Dravidian language group. Question number 138. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan was launched in the year 2001. According to the Indus Water Treaty, India got the exclusive right to use up the water of three rivers, and among them one is Ravi. इंदस, चिनाब, झेलम पाकिस्तान, रावी, ब्यास एंड सतलुज इंडिया के एक्सक्लूसिव राइट में है, और तीन जो रिवर्स हैं इंदस, चिनाब और झेलम वो पाकिस्तान के एक्सक्लूसिव राइट में है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 140. खर दुंग ला पास ज्वाइन लेह एंड सियाचेन ग्लेशियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 141. अरावली इज द ओल्डेस्ट डेन्यूडेटेड माउंटेन ऑफ इंडिया. 142. द कोल बेल्ट ऑफ पेनिनसुलर इंडिया डेवलप्ड ड्यूरिंग Carboniferous period. Question number 143. Shillong is the highest peak of Meghalaya Plateau. Yes. Question number 144. According to the Census of India 2011, the sex ratio of West Bengal is 1947. The SDI of India for year 2070 0.64. Animudi is the highest peak of Sahyadri. Question number 147. Dalma Trap is located in Jharkhand state of India. Question number 148. Ganga is an example of consequent river. Question number 149. Vindhyan range is the source of river Chambal. Chilka is an example of lagoon. Question number 151. Chandratal is located in Lahaul and Spiti Valley of Himachal Pradesh. Question number 152. Westerly jet stream crosses the Himalayas and bring dry and stable weather in winter in India. Westerly jet stream होवे. Question number 153. The western disturbance causes winter precipitation in northwest region of Indian subcontinent. It originates from Mediterranean Sea. Yes, जो विंटर रेनफॉल होते हैं हमारे इंडिया में वो वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस के द्वारा होते हैं और ये मेडिट्रेनियन सी से निकलते हैं, जैसे कि साउथ वेस्ट मानसून जो है अरेबियन सी एंड इंडियन ओशन से निकलता है। Question number 154. According to Köppen climate classification, Kerala has tropical monsoon climate. Question number 155. None of the above होवे. For forecast flood in India, none of the above. Question number 156. Wood of Sundari tree is used mainly for making boat making. Sundari trees, mangroves trees आचे. Question number 157. Introduction of joint forest management was an important objective of National Forest Policy 1988. Question number 158. Salem is famous for production of magnetite iron ore. Question number 159. India is the second largest producer of manganese after Zimbabwe. Question number 160. Copper is found in large quantity at Ghatsila. Question number 161. Andhra Pradesh is the largest production of mica. Bundelkhand is famous for production of diamond mineral. Question number 163. Ship Samundram Dam is constructed on Kaveri River. Question number 164. Ukai Dam is on Ukai River, which is a tributary of Tapi River. Question number 165. Tilaiya Dam is on Baraga River in Jharkhand. Tilaiya Dam is situated in Jharkhand. Question number 166. Integrated Urban Development Project was initiated during 5th 5-year plan. Question number 167. By 73rd Amendment constitutional status was given to Panchayati Raj system or Panchayati system, or 74th constitutional amendment for municipalities. 168. India and Pakistan have boundary dispute over Sir Creek. Question 169. Census year recorded a negative growth rate of minus 0.31 in India in 1921. Question number 170. In the year 1872, the first census of India was conducted, and regular census for after 10 years started from 1881. Okay, so first census started from 1872. Question number 171. According to the census of India 2011, the child sex ratio of India is 920. None of the above Hovik. Question number 172 is not a SEZ of India. Question number 173. Blue Revolution is aimed at increasing the production of shrimp. Question number 174, sorry. None of the above होवे एक हाने हो is not a potential area of generation of geothermal energy. Angami is a tribe of northeast India. Question number 176. Pastoralism is the main occupation of the Toda tribe of southern India. Toda tribes live in Nilgiri mountains mainly. Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Lepcha, Asmias, Bhutia are types of Sino-Tibetan language family. Question number 178. Parsis is a minority group in India who are followers of Zoroastrianism. Question number 179. Himachal Pradesh. Many people of Himachal Pradesh state speak Kinnori. Question number 180. According to the census of India 2011, the crude birth rate of country is 21.8 per thousand. Question number 181. Kerala state of India has more female in number than male of sex ratio 1084, यानी कि 1084 फीमेल हैं और 1000 मेल हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंसस ऑफ इंडिया 2011. Question number 182. Mizoram state has the highest literacy rate among the northeastern state of India. According to Census Department of Government of India, a class 3rd urban place have a population between 20,000 to 49,999. Question number 84. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is situated at about 14 kilometers south of Mumbai city. Question number 85. IRS 1A Hovik. In the year 1988, India launched first remote sensing satellite. Assam is the largest producer of tea. Bamboo, rags, rice bran are the main raw material of paper industry. Question number 188. India is the largest exporter of cashew nuts. Question number 189. Seats, rods, plates, utensils from aluminium are manufactured by mill at Belur, West Bengal. Question number 190. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane in India. Question number 191. Malda district of West Bengal is famous for horticulture. Varanasi is an example of ecclesiastical city. Ecclesiastical city. Okay. Pronunciation is hard. 193. The basic objective of PMGSY is to provide all-weather connectivity to all villages. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Okay, PMGSY. 194. Bangladesh accesses the enclave of Coach Behar through Teen Bigha corridor. 195. The southernmost point of India is Indra Point, located at 6 degree 45 minute north. 196. The National Air Monitoring Program was initiated by National Pollution Control Board. Question number 197 is 97. Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh is famous for production of sugarcane. The present habitat of Santhal tribe is mainly in the plateau region of Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal. Question number 199. India is not the leading producer of cardamom spices. Question number 200. The longest border of India is with Bangladesh, approximately 4096 kilometers. सो ये अपने 100 क्वेश्चंस रहे जियोग्राफी के, जो कि पार्ट 2 था 2019 का जनरल स्टडी पेपर 1 का क्वेश्चन पेपर.